So, it's 8 p.m. and Mr. T Robot hasn't had any coffee yet. So, Mr. T Robot's gonna have a coffee time, but not just a normal coffee. So today I'll show you how to prepare spiced coffee. So today I'm going to use this instant coffee and cinnamon bark, well, as you can see, and some black pepper, and of course I put some sugar and milk with it, but if you like it black, then that's also okay. So, let's see how the spiced coffee would taste like, shall we? I'm definitely recommending this to you. So, thank you for watching and see you soon. Stay safe.